STEMROBO help us in organizing the workshop, the fun workshop at our school, at 𝐅𝐸 Public School, Shankar, Vihar. My name is Tanupriya. I'm the ATL in charge of 𝐅𝐸 Public School, and we had trainers from STEMROBO who guided, hand-holded the kids in building beautiful projects, and that could be seen in the beautiful pics that would be shown short while. We are really glad, and we hope that we maintain this association for long. Thank you.